This black cube quick-release fry pan is quite nice. And it has a tempered glass lid. The 12.5-inch size gives you ample space for cooking many things. You can fry eggs or sear chicken. And the lid helps trap heat. This pan could become a reliable tool in your kitchen. And it feels sturdy. The black cube quick-release fry pan has a special surface. It is designed to stop food from sticking. So cleanup is often easy. This non-stick feature is helpful for busy cooks. Plus, the tempered glass lid lets you see your food as it cooks. So you can check on your meal without losing heat. And this pan seems like a smart kitchen investment. If you are looking for a new frying pan, the black cube quick-release fry pan is worth considering. It's a solid choice for everyday cooking. And the non-stick surface is a big plus. You can find info about this pan online. And many home cooks seem happy with it. It might just become one of your favorite kitchen items. Because it aims to make cooking simpler. Pros: scratch resistant, metal utensil safe, oven safe, dishwasher safe, induction ready, even heating, durable build, ergonomic handle. Cons: can be heavy, food may stick, not fully non-stick, some report rust, lids sold separate. Coating may burn, bottom may warp, cleanup can be tough, scratches on handle, price may be high. Features: quick release, non-stick 12.5-inch, glass lid, hybrid pan, steel, alum, oven safe. Dishwasher safe, scratch resist, induction ready. This 12.5-inch black cube quick-release fry pan has a tempered glass lid. It's made with steel and aluminum and has a special non-stick surface that helps food not stick and makes it easy to clean. You can even use metal tools in it because it is scratch resistant. This pan works on all kinds of stoves, including induction. And you can put it in the oven and dishwasher. It's called a hybrid pan because it mixes the good things about stainless steel and nonstick pans. The 12.5-inch black cube quick-release fry pan with a tempered glass lid is designed to be scratch-resistant and safe for metal utensils. It can go in the oven and dishwasher, and works with induction cooktops, offering even heating and a durable design with an ergonomic handle. However, it can feel heavy. Food might stick sometimes. And it's not completely non-stick. Some users have reported rust. And the lids are sold separately. The coating might burn if overheated. The bottom could warp. And cleaning up can be difficult. There are also reports of scratches on the handle. And it might cost more than other pans.